Hey, what's up guys, it's Texmer talking to you here, and today I will review the LG G1 TV and I'm very excited for it. So before we get into this video and into this review, let's get started. The unboxing experience, the TV was very heavy. It was very difficult to bring up the apartment, and once I got it there, you can see that the TV is huge. The box is huge, it was very heavy. The top lifts up and reveals the two parts of the box, which is the top box where you have your accessories, and it's kind of hidden. You have to look out, take out that white protection, and then you have the TV, which is also covered in that white protection, instead of it, and it's very difficult to move around the TV and to remove it, so you have to be very careful not to break it because it's very bendy. And as you can see, it's pretty big. The box weighs like 40 kilos and the TV is also huge. So it's a 65-inch TV, LG G1, amazing. Then I put it on my table to try to put on the accessories on it, and it was very risky because the TV would bend and it was very difficult to put it on. But when I put it, you can see that the TV is huge when compared to the table. It's 65 inches, which is enormous, and the table is pretty big too. This is a tiny table for 8-10 people, and the TV looks huge here. Finally, I got to do the best part, which was removing the plastic from the screen. I was very excited. It was my first time removing a plastic from a TV screen, and always the best experience of an unboxing. So you can see I was very excited. The LG TV is incredible. I love this TV. It was quite expensive, but for around $400 or $3,500, this TV is a great deal, because you are getting a 4K 120 Hz display panel, which can shoot or show you in HDR Dolby Vision. Also, it has speakers that are Dolby Atmos. This is quite incredible, and this TV has a nice image, which is very crisp, very bright, and the colors are very crisp and true too. So they feel very real, they do not feel vivid. You have the vivid mode, you have the normal mode, you have all of these modes that you can see here, but I can see that the normal standard mode is the one I will use, probably cinema when I'm watching movies, or video games when I'm playing video games. But the vivid mode, it's more like a Samsung TV, and I do not like it. The colors are too vivid, they look unnaturally. So I will not use the vivid mode. But this TV has a lot of other things like HomeKit integration with the Apple ecosystem. I can control this TV with my remote, which is my phone, and I can control this TV using AirPlay. The app works great. You can use it as a remote for your TV also. I can SharePlay to this TV. I can have access to Apple TV. There's a lot of stuff that are incredible on this TV. Also, the remote is very smart, very good. It has a lot of fine buttons. You can control all of your stuff from just one remote, which is just incredible. For example, you have the Netflix button, the Disney Plus button, which is very useful. You also have the number pad, which is useful to change channels. And you have this scrolly wheel, and you have also this arrow system, but the remote is very comfortable to use, very nicely built. It's from plastic, but it feels heavy, feels premium, and the buttons feels also very good. You also have this pointing system that like a Wii from Nintendo, remember those? Yeah, you have this pointing system that works very well. It's very accurate, and you can move around with your remote and choose all your system settings. The TV is very easy to use. WebOS from LG is very easy to use too, and I love this system. It's incredible, it's very nice, and this TV is very incredible. This review is just telling nice things. One thing that of course I will tell is that this TV was very heavy, it was very big, and you can see from the box and the TV looking next to me, they look big. I'm not a big guy, I'm like 1.7 meters tall, but these boxes and TV were big, and there were needed two big people to bring this TV up to my apartment. It weighed like 40 kilos or something. It was very heavy, and let me tell you, I'm very excited to see what will happen to the future of this TV, to this OLED panel, if I will notice any burning problems, but I hope not. This TV has some systems that can repair those, but I'm very excited. This is the OLED 2.0 according to LG, which doesn't burn in as easily. So this image, as you can see, it's pretty bright, pretty vibrant. This is a 4K HDR TV, and you are watching a 4K HDR like video. So the colors are very crisp, the TV is very bright, and this is one of the best, not the best panels that I've ever seen. It's an OLED panel which is 4K. If you bought the Z1, this is G1, the Z1 has an 8K panel, the same one, but this panel from LG is able to do 4K HDR at 120 frames per second if you have a PS4 or PS5 that supports that. But the panel is insane. You can see the colors are very nice, very like real-like images. Of course, you can turn on vivid mode and it looks more like a Samsung TV, but the LG colors are very crisp, very natural, and very correctly color balanced. So I believe, in my opinion, the LG TVs have the best color balance in the business, but this TV for me is the best value in terms of LG TVs, because with the G1 you can get 4K at 120 frames per second, HDR, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, all of that stuff for, I don't know, right now I think it goes for 400 grand in terms of dollars, but you can get it for 35 to 2800 euros in Europe. So this is a great deal, and I think that right now this is the best time for you to buy this TV, probably because the LG is working on the next model, but the LG G1, perfect colors, perfect everything. You can see in this video again that, for my opinion, there's no TV that matches this, and I'm very excited to use this 4K HDR content on Disney Plus or Apple TV. It will be insane to watch. And it has a lot of other stuff, like I told you, 4K HDR, Dolby Vision, 120Hz support, G-Sync support for you that plays a lot of games. You can connect your PS5 here, your Xbox, and you can connect also your PC if you want to play in a 65-inch TV. In terms of I/O, this TV has a satellite port, antenna cable on, a LAN, and 4 HDMI ports. 4 of these HDMI are capable of 4K 120 frames per second, and one of them is capable of having a speaker, which is the HDMI 2 eARC. Then we have an optical digital audio out and an audio out. It also has an AR blaster, 3 USB-Cs, and a common interface. So this TV is amazing, and I have not anything bad to say about it. Before I talk even more, let's see some images. So before I talk even more, let's roll the montage. So guys, what do you thought of this TV? I think it's pretty cool. The panel is amazing, the colors are crisp, amazing, and I think it's my best TV ever. And I gotta tell you, for $35,000 to $4,000 is a great deal. Of course, you can get the Z1, which is 8K, but I think that 8K is so overkill that no one needs it. So if you are looking for a good 4K HDR Dolby Vision TV, the LG G1 is the best TV for you, and for only around $3,000 now you can get it on discount, or $2,800 if you can find a good deal. This G1 TV is amazing. I love the colors you can see there. And what are your thoughts on this TV? Are you going to buy one? If you're going to buy one, did you like the review? It's my first time reviewing a TV this good, and first time reviewing a TV on the channel. So what are your thoughts? Leave them on the comments down below. And while you're there, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. This was Tech Summer talking to you here. Bye.